Well, if you have a story you'd like us to look into, let us know on our tip line. Send an email to tips@kimatv.com. You can also call us at 575-KIMA. And make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X and our YouTube channel. A lot of farms in the area are enjoying a strong crop yield this year, but one crop is a smaller crop than in years past. John Franklin spoke to Pete Mahoney, the Vice President of Supply Chain at John I Haas, about the current state of the hops market. Here's what we learned.
This year, do you have to buy less hops than years past?
A lot less, for sure.
Due to a surplus of hops and lower demand, a once strong local market for the crop is looking down.
The strong crop market that we've enjoyed here was really a 10-year bull market, and tremendous growth in the craft beer styles in particular, IPAs, hazy IPAs and so forth. A lot of new breweries came online. We now have about 10,000 breweries in the U.S. At the start of craft, we had a fraction of that.
At the start of the strong period, there were around 30,000 acres of hops grown in the U.S. Hop acreage grew nearly double when it peaked around 61,000 acres in 2021.
Beer demand was still growing, but at a slower rate. And now what we're seeing is not even growing. In fact, it's declining by maybe 2 to 3% annually.
This year, farms are producing 44,000 acres of the crop.
So half of the acreage that we had gained as a result of craft, we've now taken out.
One of the reasons for this shift is because there are more beverage options for consumers on the market.
The consumers have other options out there. We're seeing pressure always from other alternative beverages, like seltzers were a big threat there for a while, and now we're seeing other beverages like we call them RTDs, ready to drink cocktails, is another a new threat for our industry.
Mahoney says that people are also looking for healthier alternatives, whether it's not drinking alcohol or finding a healthier beer.
And we actually are seeing a little bit of a trend towards lighter beer styles again. Not saying that consumers are moving away from IPAs, but we're seeing a pickup in demand for like lager style beers or pilsners, and even non-alcoholic beers, which still have hops, but a little bit of a trend towards lighter beer styles.
With hops prices plummeting and acres of hops diminishing, Mahoney remains hopeful that the downfall won't last forever.
But we do think that it will level off. We just need to see some demand starting to return, and signs that we are getting out from underneath this large excess oversupply of hops. But it still may take a couple more years yet.
Reporting in the Yakima Valley for Action News, I'm John Franklin.
Thanks so much, John. And according to Mahoney, 98% of the nation's hops are grown here in the Northwest, and of those acres, 70% are grown right here in the Yakima Valley.